It's always nice to look out the window and see those very first few flakes of snow. And later on we can go outside and create the impression of an angel that just fell from the sky. When February rolls around, I'll roll my eyes, turn a cold shoulder to these even colder skies. And by the fire, my heart, it heaves a sigh for the green grass waiting on the other side. It's always winter, but never Christmas. It seems this curse just can't be lifted, yet in the...
So we're walking around Pacific Center now. I was gonna take Dallas to Hollister, my favorite store ever in the entire world, but they just closed like 5 minutes ago, so we got sushi instead. See? Dallas bought me sushi and it was on sale, so I feel good about eating it. And yeah, so now we're gonna go venture our way through Vancouver to find English Bay. Do you have anything to add? Spit it out. Ew.
Heart, it heaves a sigh for the green grass waiting on the other side. It's always winter, but now...
What is it, Dallas?
It's a giant silver piece of garbage.
Oh yay. See, our garbage in Vancouver is shiny. You can see me. There I am. Hi. So Dallas brought me into a video store. Sabrina can't go into a video store that has Blu-rays on sale without buying like 10 of them, so yeah. Yay, I have movies, ha! Look, it's my street. Not Davy, but Breton, because that is my last name.
It's always winter, but never Christmas. It seems this curse just can't be lifted.
Having fun? Playing your game?
See the leaves on the trees begin to show. The birds will congregate and sing a song of birth, a song of newer thing. The wind would calm and the sun would shine. I'd go outside and I'd squint